The Sphero Indi Student Kit provides a unique, screenless coding experience that allows young children to learn programming fundamentals through interactive color tiles. With its all-day battery life, the Indi robot can keep kids engaged and learning for an entire school day without the need for constant recharging. Designed with durability in mind, the Indi and its accessories are built to withstand the enthusiastic play of children, featuring latex-free rubber color tiles and a sturdy carrying case. The kit encourages the development of computer science skills as children learn essential coding concepts like sequencing and debugging while solving puzzles or creating their own mazes. Customization is made fun and easy with removable stickers, allowing kids to personalize their Indi robot and express their creativity. Complete with 15 self-guided challenge cards, the Sphero Indi Student Kit offers endless opportunities for exploration and problem-solving, making it an excellent educational STEM toy.